Hello everyone, how are you? I think that everyone well. Welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center. I'll discuss about CCNA today. Please listen constantly. I am scientist engineer Mohammad Abul Fazal, founder, CEO, researcher and computer scientist of Pabnasoft. CCNA, what is CCNA? Cisco Certified Network Associate. This is very important networking course. CCNA is an international networking course. Anyone can this course from Pabnasoft International Research Center. IP Internet Protocol, that is very important for CCNA exam. CCNA certificate exam. Classes of IP address. How? There are 5 types of IP address classes. IP class, IP range, subnet marks and binary. Class A. Class A Class B, Class C, Class D, Class E. IP address 5 classes. We can use any IP range for our networking. We can create networking by IP address. We cannot move without address. Every house has address. Every place has address. So any computer has address. So computer need IP address. We can find or identify computer by IP address. So IP address is very important for networking and functionality of networking for any small, any big, any medium company networking. So everyone has to learn about internet protocol for creating networking. So IP range 1 from 1 to 127 class A. IP range 128 to 191 class B, and IP range 192 to 223 class C. IP range 224 to 239 class D. IP range 240 to 254 class E. And you have to know about subject marks. This is subject marks 255. This is networking address. Networking address will 1, 8-bit 1. Networking address 1. And broadcast address and host address 0. All host address 0. Class B 16-bit networking address, so 255.255.1 and 16-bit 0. Class C 24-bit networking address and 8-bit host address. So 24-bit 1 subnet marks and 8-bit 0. Class D multicast address and class E reserved IP address. How to convert decimal to binary for find out IP address? We have to know very good how to convert decimal to binary for identify IP address and creating IP address, manually setting IP address, automatic setting IP address. So we have to learn how to convert decimal to binary. Understand everyone? I think that everyone understand. Now I'll say about decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. How to convert decimal to binary? Please see decimal 128. Our bit 8 bit. So 1 bit, first bit 1 and remains 7 bit 0. 64 decimal, second bit 1 and remain all bits, all 7 bits 0. 32, 1 bit 32 and remain bits 0. 16, 1 bit 1 and remain bits 0. 8, 1 bit 1 and remain bits 0. 1 bit 4 1 and remain bits 0. 1 2 2 1 and remain bits 0. 1 1 and remain bits 0. Every so everybody, thank you very much for showing my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for getting free video. And welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center. I am Scientist Engineer Mohammad Abul Fazal, founder, CEO, researcher and computer scientist of Pabnasoft. Anyone ask me any question? Okay. Welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center.